Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Ridmik from the App Store and opening Settings. Tap General, Keyboards, then add New Keyboard to pick Ridmik. This registers it with iOS. Once done, tap Ridmik in the list and enable full access only if you want cloud features and custom themes. This gives the app permission to store preferences. Doing this now avoids later permission prompts and makes switching keyboards immediate when you need Bengali typing. You now configure layout and behavior inside the Ridmik app so typing feels natural. Select Prabhat, Juktak, or Avro depending on familiarity. Choose phonetic mapping if you prefer typing Bengali using Roman letters. Then adjust key height, long press delay, and predictive text to match your thumb speed and screen size. Once done, make sure the keyboard language order matches your workflow so switching with the globe key is predictable. This reduces errors and speeds composition. You finish by practicing input patterns. Use the globe key to toggle languages, long press keys for variants, and tap suggestions to accept words quickly. Create custom shortcuts in Ridmik or Settings General Keyboard Text Replacement to save time on common phrases. If you hit lag, missing glyphs, or layout glitches, restart the app, toggle Ridmik off and on in Settings, or reinstall. Clearing cache settings often fixes corruption. If problems persist, check iOS updates and contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.